Right, now.
Good. And away we go. You videoing?
Yes. Can't really see the plane, Dad. Bring her over. Yep, you did it. Oh, crap. Oh, dear. Dad, you're dead. You go into a storm of corellas and cockatoos. That's hilarious. Oh, pass. Got it. In she comes. Oh, yeah. Oh, those corellas are annoying.
Just keep coming back. I'm going to do a bomb drop.
What? Tell me when. Gonna tell me when?
Yeah,
Don't drop it over there.
bomb's armed.
Don't drop it over there.
And bomb's gone.
Well, there went the bomb.
Okay, I'm going to do a loop.
Oh.
Oh, this will be a stall thing.
And you should really. Oh, corellas, cockatoos.
Let go of me.
Sorry.
This will be for a loop.
Keep your eye on the sky. Yike. Corellas, be quiet. Whoa.
This will be for a gun pass.
Gun pass, got it.
Is that cool?
What about the other gun?
There aren't any more guns. Did you hear the tick, listen.
Alright, there it is.
Okay, setting up for landing.
Yep, got that. Got that loud and clear, mister. Oh,
Okay, wheels are coming down.
got that. I think I might be able to get that on video.
This will be for a check on the undercarriage. Here it comes.
Here she comes, here she comes, here she comes.
Both wheels are down.
Got that. Copyright.
Running low on power. Okay, just keep filming and keep following the plane.
Ow.
Okay. First stage of flap.
Yep.
Be for a long line-up. Full
Yeah.
flap now.
Yeah.
Power's coming back.
Yep. And she's
Look
coming
over.
in for a landing, isn't she?
Oh, what a landing. Did you see
Perfect. Now that.
that?
That is a landing.
Did you see that?
That is a landing. There's the bomb. That there's the bomb that I was meant to add to this video. This bomb here. Yes, I thought it. This is the bomb for the story.
Lay down there. Lay down. I'm going to tap you over the top. Just the wing over the top. Lay down. Lay down.
There's breakdance.
I'll go past them. You ready?
Yep. Here's the plane. That's the sound effect, people. Just so you know. This.
That was an awesome flight.
Yes, it was, Daddy.
I thoroughly enjoyed that.
Yes, I did too.
What about that landing?
That was a landing of dreams.
It was like a butterfly with sore feet. What do you reckon?
Tail, wings, and the propeller. Not everyone could get one of these. Not every.
Film from this
Yes,
front.
she comes. Great thorough of landings. Now there she is. That is a stormy weather. Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed this. So, folks, if you want to like or please subscribe. Thank you. Bye. All right. Sorry about this, my dad. Thank you. So, another video. Off the plane. So you do.
Go on the other side.
make a noise,
Look at me.
please.
Did you see that landing?
What is it?
Okay, stop and play it back so we can get to see the landing.